Will link building be dead in 2026? Not a chance. And the short answer is no. The evolution of link building and what it will become. Why backlinks will still matter in 2026. Let's now talk about common myths that will still be wrong in 2026. Social media will replace backlinks. Will link building be dead in 2026? Not a chance. And the short answer is no. Link building won't just survive in 2026. It will evolve into one of the most essential strategies for SEO success. But it won't look like it did years ago. As search engines grow smarter, earning quality links will matter more than ever. Hi, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out. Now let's talk about the evolution of link building and what it will become. In the beginning, that is somewhere around 1998 to 2005, more links, more rankings. In the early days of SEO, rankings used to depend on the number of backlinks, not their quality. Tactics like directory listings and link exchanges were very common, but this kind of mass linking won't work in 2026. The turning point, 2006 to 2015. Quality beats quantity. When Google launched updates like Penguin, low quality links started getting punished. This shift forced SEO experts to focus on earned, relevant links. In 2026, this focus on trustworthy linking sources will only grow stronger. The modern era, 2016 to 2025. Merging PR with SEO. By 2026, link building will become more closely tied to content marketing and digital PR. Brands will stop treating it as a standalone task and instead use it to build authority and drive brand visibility. Why backlinks will still matter in 2026? The stats will still tell the same story. Studies will continue to show that most web pages won't rank without backlinks. Content without strong link profiles will struggle to get noticed. Top ranking pages in 2026 will still have more quality backlinks than those lower in the results. Link building will boost domain authority. Websites that actively build links in 2026 will see higher domain authority, better visibility in search results, greater credibility in their niche, and of course, more qualified organic traffic. Let's now talk about common myths that will still be wrong in 2026. Social media will replace backlinks. Social engagement will help build awareness, but backlinks will continue to be a long-term trust signals for search engines. A tweet lasts a minute. A backlink lasts years. Great content will rank on its own. Of course, content will always be the king, but it won't rule alone. In 2026, even amazing content will need strategic promotion to get the links, attention, and authority it deserves. AI will kill link building. AI will actually make link building more valuable. Why? Because it will help search engines better detect spammy links, artificial patterns, irrelevant backlinks, and only genuine links from trusted sources will boost ranking. Now, let's talk about what will work. PR-based link building. In 2026, smart marketers will rely on earned media and public relations to secure powerful backlinks. These will come from journalists, industry publications, thought leadership platforms. These links will carry real weight because they'll be natural, contextual, authoritative, permanent. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz will still be the go-to platforms. The final word. The future belongs to real link building. By 2026, SEO success will depend on building a clean, powerful backlink profile, not through hacks, but by publishing content people trust, building meaningful relationships, earning coverage from real websites, and there will be no shortcuts. But those who commit to value-driven link building will win bigger than ever before. So, what was your favorite part today? Or better yet, which one are you going to implement first? Drop a comment below and we'd love to hear your thoughts and give you feedback if you're stuck. And if you got value from this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our future deep dives and real world case studies. We release new content every week to help you grow smarter, faster and more profitable. Thank you so much for watching.